Today's question is x plus 1 whole raised to the power of x times e raised to the power of x plus 1, that is equal to minus x over e whole raised to the power of x. Here we need to find x value. Let's see how to solve this. Observe here in the right hand side, in the exponent we have x. To get rid of this x, I am going to take 1 over x in the exponent on both sides. If I take 1 over x on both sides, here x and here x gets cancelled. So we left only minus x over e on the right hand side, and left hand side, now it is in the form of a times b whole raised to the power of m. So a times b whole raised to the power of m. We can write this as a raised to the power of m times b raised to the power of m. So we can split it into two separate parts. So the first part, x plus 1 whole raised to the power of x. This is the first part, whole raised to the power of 1 over x times e raised to the power of x plus 1 whole raised to the power of 1 over x. Now here x and here x gets cancelled, so we left only x plus 1 times this term, it is in the form of a raised to the power of m whole raised to the power of n. So we can write this as a raised to the power of m times n. Similarly, e raised to the power of x plus 1 times 1 over x, we can write it as x plus 1 over x, that is equal to minus x over e. And the right hand side we have a x, and left hand side we have x plus 1. So to make it x in one place, I am going to divide by x on both sides. Then here x and here x gets cancelled. On the right hand side we left only minus 1 over e, and left hand side we have x plus 1 over x. So we had write x plus 1 over x times e raised to the power of x plus 1 over x, that is equal to, right hand side we have minus 1 over e. See here, this is x plus 1 over x, and in the e raised to the power of, in the exponent also we have x plus 1 over x, both are same terms. Now observe the left hand side, it is in the form of, if you take as a, then this is e raised to the power of a. So we can apply a Lambert-Demele function here. If you apply a Lambert-Demele function of a times e raised to the power of a, you simply we can write this as a. So that's why let's apply Lambert function on both sides. W of x plus 1 over x times e raised to the power of x plus 1 over x, that is, this is a times e raised to the power of a, that is equal to w of minus 1 over e. So the left hand side, it is in the form of w of a times e raised to the power of a. Simply we can write it as a. So let's write a. Our a is x plus 1 over x, that is equal to Lambert-Demele function of minus 1 over e. So in the left hand side numerator we have x plus 1. So and denominator we have x. So if you split it by x, then we will get x divided by x plus 1 over x, isn't it? So x gets cancelled, so we left only 1 plus 1 over x, that is equal to this minus, if you take it as front side, the minus of w function of 1 over e. W of 1 over e, the value is 1. So just write as 1. Our goal is to find x value, so that's why we need to get at this 1. So that's why both sides subtract minus 1. Then plus 1 minus 1 gets cancelled, so we left only 1 over x, that is equal to minus 2. So then we can say that x equal to minus 1 over 2. This is the x value. But is this x value satisfied our given expression or not? Let's go and see. Given question is x plus 1 whole raised to the power of x times e raised to the power of x plus 1, that is equal to minus x over e whole raised to the power of x. Let's take this only the first term. First term, what do we have? X plus 1 whole raised to the power of x. So what we got x value? We got x value as minus 1 over 2. Let's take that. Minus 1 over 2 plus 1 whole raised to the power of minus 1 over 2. 1 minus half, which gives only half. So let's take half raised to the power of minus 1 over 2. This is for the first term. So let's take the first term is 1 over 2 whole raised to the power of minus 1 over 2. Now observe this in the left hand side second term, which we have e raised to the power of x plus 1. So we got x as minus 1 over 2 plus 1. So minus 1 by 2 plus 1, which gives plus 1 by 2. The second term is e raised to the power of 1 over 2. That is equal to, now we have to observe the right hand term, which we have minus x over e whole raised to the power of x. So that is equal to minus, so we got x as minus 1 by 2. So minus 1 over 2 over e whole raised to the power of minus 1 over e. This minus term minus, which gives plus. So now it is in the form of a over b whole raised to the power of m. We can write this as a raised to the power of m over b raised to the power of m. So that is 1 over 2 whole raised to the power of minus 1 by 2 over e raised to the power of minus 1 over 2. Let's take it in on the right hand side. What we got, 1 over 2 whole raised to the power of minus 1 over 2 over e raised to the power of minus 1 over 2. In the left hand side we have 1 over 2 whole raised to the power of minus 1 over 2, and right hand side we have 1 over 2 whole raised to the power of minus 1 over 2. Both terms are same, so we can cancel each other. We left e raised to the power of 1 over 2, that is equal to 1 over e raised to the power of minus 1 over 2. So if we have a raised to the power of minus 1, we can write this as 1 over a, reciprocal of a. Similarly, e raised to the power of minus 1 by 2, we can write it as 1 over e raised to the power of plus 1 over 2. So the right hand side we can write it as 1 over e raised to the power of plus 1 over 2. So what we get on the right hand side, we get only e raised to the power of 1 over 2. Hence left hand side, that is equal to right hand side. That means it is satisfied. The x value minus 1 over 2 is satisfied the given expression. So the x value is minus 1 over 2. If you like this content, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.